Welcome to Doony Kids.
Hello. Today we will learn about some good habits. We should take good care of our body. We must have some good habits to keep our body fit and fine. Personal cleanliness. We should take a clean bath every day. Always wear clean clothes. Put little oil and comb your hair. Brush your teeth twice a day. Wash your hands with soap before and after taking a meal. Rinse your mouth after every meal. Clean your nose regularly. Trim your nails short. Wash your face and eyes. Keeping fit. Exercise keeps us fit. We must exercise every day. Outdoor playing is a good exercise. Swimming is a good exercise. Running is a good exercise. Rest and sleep. Always wake up early in the morning. Always go early to bed at night. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel.